let's talk about what supplies you need in order to be able to make bakery style muffins like this at home. First up is your muffin pan. I like to use a dark aluminized steel muffin pan. It's a standard 12 cup pan. It's not the jumbo size, it's the regular size. And guess what? I bet you have one in your kitchen. Next, I like to use basic paper liners. This brand happened to be Betty Crocker. You can find these at the grocery store. Just make sure you don't buy the jumbo size ones. These are just, the regular size ones. These are the best. Next up, I recommend having a kitchen scale. Using a kitchen scale is going to give you the most accurate measurement for your flour. And typically, if people are struggling with dry or dense muffins, it's because you're not measuring your flour properly. You should measure it on the scale. Fresh baking powder is a must. If you don't know how old your can is, toss it out, buy a new one. You'll thank me. Cookie scoops. I have a 4th cup scoop and a 2 tablespoon scoop. So usually when I'm making muffins, I will do a heaping 4th cup scoop, and then I will go back and add either 1 to 2 of these 2 tablespoon scoops until my muffins are super full. Lastly, if you want to make true bakery style muffins at home, I recommend getting some sanding sugar. This is Wilton's white sparkling sugar, so it's coarse sugar. It ends up looking like this on your muffins, and it just gives that nice crunchy sugary top that bakery style muffins are known for.